Workout Tea Garden is located in under the Bogor district. This is the biggest tea garden. This is the main way of the tea garden. People are coming. थांबावो ना थांला थांला औ you can see yeah lots of tea garden. You can see here greenery of people. nó cứ phi vào nó vào hai. We are just come to see this beautiful garden. Tham chơi. Wow, what a lovely road. You see guys. So many beautiful trees you will see in this Bogor Tea Garden. Our time is over now. This is the tea industry. This tea industry is located in Bogor district beside the tea garden.